And we're back with another knife review. Today we're going to be doing the CH knife. This is the mini Damascus. Go ahead and open that up. We'll take a look at it. Alright, first of all we'll go over the specs. This knife is 5 inches overall. Blade length is 2.2. Blade material is Damascus. Hardness is 58 to 60. The handle is a titanium alloy. Has a groove starburst pattern in it. Weighs about 1.5 ounces or 20 grams. And the blade thickness is 1.8 millimeters. It is a frame lock, which is quite interesting for a smaller, like pocket knife. Does not have a pocket clip, so this will be a carry that you actually stick in your pocket or put on a keychain. More of a keychain knife since you can see the lanyard hole there. It has a thumb stud and one barrel for the spacer, and it has that see-through chassis. So let's go ahead and show you how this little Damascus cuts. We'll start off with some cardboard here. Cuts pretty smoothly through it. Don't think I would do anything. Well, it is a frame lock, so you could pretty much do some more aggressive cutting with it. For some reason I had in my mind there that it was a slip joint. Guess that's what I was expecting. So it cuts pretty easily there. As you can tell, it has a nice sharpness there. The whole blade is pretty much the cutting edge. So let's clean that up and we'll grab something else a little more durable. We'll see how it cuts some paracord. Cuts right through there. So that cut very smoothly. Bring over some burlap. Wow. Cut through that actually better than some of the larger knives we use. Alright, so just to recap, this is the CH knife mini in Damascus. This would be a nice little backup blade to have. Frame lock and titanium alloy on the scales or handle there. For those of you guys that are watching on Instagram, make sure you like and follow Atlantic Knife. If you're watching on YouTube, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the section below and we will do our best to respond to them quickly. Since we pretty much have no life, we should do it pretty quickly. On that note, CH mini knife. I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.